Have you ever been puzzled by a piece of code that just doesn't behave the way you expect? It can be incredibly frustrating, right? If you're facing issues with the PHP DateTime createFromFormat function, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unravel this mystery together. I totally get it. When you're trying to convert a date string and it doesn't return the expected result, it can leave you scratching your head. You're not alone in this. Many developers have encountered similar issues with date formatting in PHP. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, why does my DateTime object return an unexpected date when using createFromFormat with just month and year? They provided an example where they used the format m/y, but got a date that seemed off. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's going on here? The createFromFormat function is designed to parse a date string according to the specified format. However, when you only provide the month and year, PHP defaults to the first day of the next month. This can lead to confusion, especially when you expect a specific day. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a neat trick to handle date strings without hard-coding values. You won't want to miss it. To understand the behavior of the DateTime createFromFormat function, the user should first recognize that this function requires a complete date format to create a DateTime object accurately. In the user's case, they are using the format m/y, which only specifies the month and year. This means the day is not defined, leading to unexpected results. To fix this issue without hard-coding a day, the user can create a function that automatically adds the first day of the month when the date string is in the m/y format. By using this function, the user can ensure that the DateTime object is created correctly without manually concatenating the day each time. Finally, the user should test this function with various date strings to confirm that it consistently produces the expected DateTime objects. Fun fact: did you know that the way we handle dates in programming can vary significantly between languages? It's like trying to solve a puzzle where the pieces don't quite fit together. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that you cannot store incomplete dates in a dedicated date format for complex calculations. When using DateTime with incomplete information, PHP defaults to using the current date. For example, if you input February 2017, it assumes the last day of the month, which leads to unexpected results. They suggest hard-coding the first day of the month when creating the DateTime object, as it is a valid approach. Here's the trick I promised. Always validate your date formats before using them. This simple step can save you from unexpected results and make your code much more reliable. And there you have it. You should now have a clearer understanding of how to work with the DateTime createFromFormat function in PHP. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more coding tips, and remember to share your own experiences in the comments below.